Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind.
So we are back dito po sa Azzurro, and we are of course with the other vloggers and influencers and with the other invited guests po dito. So we are to witness the grand opening and unveiling of this event. So it's gonna be open to the public. Napakagandang turnover nito. I mean, the new beginning, sabi nga nung nila, nung tagline nila. So yeah, congratulations. Meron tayong Vloggers ID. Ang ganda nung tagline nila, no? A new beginning, sabi nila. New beginning. Okay, kasama natin sa table. Hello, hello.
Wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe.
Sir Alvin, mabse.
Mayaman siya.
Maya. Lupangagisan mo eh. Soft din.
I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world.
Nando ba ako Belen? Welcome to Wherein Pampanga, guys, for this video. Look at my view. Ayan, guys. So ito po ang the turning point dito mo sa may Azzurro Hotel located at Balibago, Angeles City. The only place that has a view like this.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.